Welcome, in front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi 9AT, and today I will show you a couple camera tricks that you can use when you have this smartphone. So let's open the camera, and at first we are going to focus on the settings that we have in this smartphone. So click on the right upper corner and go for the settings. We can add the timestamp on our photos. When you tap on the switcher, take a look when you take a photo. On the right bottom corner, we'll get the timestamp. So you don't have to enter for the details, you will know when the photo was taken. We can also scan QR codes when we enable this option. All we have to do is just simply be in the photo mode and then put the QR code in front of our camera. We can also quickly increase the picture quality from standard to high. And we can change the volume button function. As you can see, currently set up as the shutter, but I always use it as a zoom, and that's what I recommend you to use. When you press the volume up button right now, you can smoothly zoom in. As you can see, it looks really nice. And if you want to zoom out, you have to press the volume down button. As you can see, it works really nice, really smooth, and it's much easier than pinching the screen with your two fingers, definitely. Right here, we can also take the burst shot. So when you press and hold the shutter button, switch to the burst shot and take a look. We can take a lot of photos, 20 photos in like 2 seconds. So it's especially useful when you are on the sports event and, for example, on the football match, and you want to take a photo of a player who is running. So we can take the burst shot, take 20 photos in a short period of time, and then you can choose that one that fits you the best. And that's all from the settings. And when we are in the photo mode, we can quickly change the temperature and color of our photos by tapping right here and go for the filters. Take a look. There's the normal. We can go for the vivid, good vibes, garment, and others. You can adjust and check all of them. So you don't have to go for the Play Store and download additional application. You can change those options in your stock camera application. Here you got also the beauty mode. And when you are here, we can also quickly find objects around us. For example, you want to buy this wireless earbuds, but you don't know what is that product, you don't know what it is. You can go right here by tapping on the upper section of the screen, click to open the camera, and we can be on the search, put the thing right here. Let me just take it a little bit. Okay, try another time. Let's search for this one, and as you can see, there we get Xiaomi Redmi AirDots. So one of the most useful things in this camera. And basically that's all. You get here also the standard modes like Pro, Video, Portrait, but of course we are not going to talk about that because everybody knows that modes and there's nothing special here. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.